Chef Stefani here. As they say, street food is the heartbeat of a city, a symphony of sizzling, fragrant chaos. And amidst the familiar aromas, there's a star ingredient that always makes my adventurous palate do a dance. Squid. You heard it right. No fancy restaurants, just squid. We are traveling the world into the most vibrant street stalls where squid transforms into culinary masterpieces. From delicate rings to fiery tentacles, get ready, my friends, for a wild, delicious ride. We're about to embark on a global squid expedition. First city for our visit, Tokyo, the neon-drenched metropolis that never sleeps. Here, squid, or ika as the locals call it, takes center stage. Imagine this, a steaming bowl of ramen, its rich broth infused with soy sauce and seaweed. And nestled amongst the noodles, perfectly grilled squid, its smoky aroma making your mouth water. The texture, a delightful contrast, tender yet with a satisfying bite. The taste, pure umami magic. I can still remember the friendly vendor's smile as he handed me that bowl. "Oishi, Chef Stefani?" he asked. "Delicious," I replied, already planning my next visit. Second city for our culinary adventure, Bangkok. We're heading south for some Bangkok heat. Bangkok, Thailand, a city that explodes with flavor, and when it comes to squid, they don't hold back. Picture this, walking through a maze of market stalls, the air thick with the aroma of lemongrass and chili. And then you see them, squid tentacles skewered and grilled to perfection over charcoal flames. They glisten with a spicy glaze, a symphony of sweet, sour, and fiery flavors. One bite, and you're transported to street food heaven. The vendors, masters of their craft, expertly grill these tentacles, ensuring each bite is an explosion of flavor. The heat, the aroma, the energy. It's an experience that stays with you long after the last bite. Ready for something a little different? Our third city to visit is on the Mediterranean. Let's hop over to the Mediterranean. The Mediterranean. Sun-drenched shores, azure waters, and fried squid? You bet. In coastal towns from Spain to Greece, fried squid or calamari is a beloved street food staple. Imagine this, sitting at a seaside taverna, the sound of waves crashing against the shore. A plate arrives, piled high with golden brown rings of squid, lightly dusted with flour and fried to crispy perfection. A squeeze of lemon, a sprinkle of salt, and you're in seafood heaven. The squid is incredibly tender, its flavor enhanced by the simple yet perfect preparation. It's the taste of the Mediterranean summer, best enjoyed with a cold drink and good company. Ready for some deep-fried goodness? Fourth stop, the city of New Orleans, United States. Deep-fried delights of New Orleans. New Orleans, the heart of Cajun and Creole cuisine, knows a thing or two about deep frying. This city is a melting pot of cultures and flavors, where every corner you turn, there's a new culinary adventure waiting to be discovered. And when it comes to squid, they've got a dish that'll make your taste buds sing. Squid rings, battered and deep-fried to golden perfection. These aren't just any squid rings. They're a testament to the city's rich culinary heritage. Imagine this, strolling through the French Quarter, the sound of jazz music filling the air. The vibrant energy of the streets is contagious, with every note of the saxophone adding to the city's unique charm. You stumble upon a street vendor, their fryer bubbling with golden goodness. The sight of the sizzling oil and the aroma wafting through the air is enough to draw you in. The aroma is intoxicating, a blend of spices and seafood that's impossible to resist. It's a sensory overload in the best possible way, with each whiff promising a burst of flavor. You take a bite, and the crunch is music to your ears. The initial crispiness gives way to the tender, succulent squid inside, creating a perfect harmony of textures. The squid is tender and flavorful, encased in a crispy, seasoned batter. Each bite is a delightful contrast of the crunchy exterior and the soft, juicy interior. It's the perfect blend of textures and flavors, a true New Orleans classic. This dish captures the essence of the city. Bold, vibrant, and utterly unforgettable. Feeling adventurous? Let's crank up the heat to our fifth city, the city of Seoul, South Korea. But before we leave New Orleans, remember that this city is not just about the food, it's about the experience, the laughter, the music, the history, all come together to create a culinary journey like no other. So next time you're in the Big Easy, make sure to indulge in its deep-fried delights. Now let's take a trip across the globe to explore the fiery flavors of Seoul's street food scene. Spicy squid surprise in Seoul. Seoul, South Korea, is a city that embraces bold flavors. From the towering skyscrapers to the bustling street markets, the city is a vibrant tapestry of sights, sounds, and most importantly, tastes. And when it comes to squid, they don't shy away from heat. The streets are lined with vendors offering a variety of spicy dishes, but one stands out among the rest. Get ready for ohinggeobokkeum, stir-fried squid coated in a fiery gochujang sauce. This dish is a staple in Korean cuisine, known for its intense flavors and satisfying heat. Imagine this, navigating through the bustling streets of Myeongdong, Seoul's street food paradise. The air is filled with the aroma of sizzling food and the energy is palpable. You spot a vendor, their wok sizzling with an inferno of red. The sight is mesmerizing and you can't help but be drawn in by the promise of a culinary adventure. That's ohinggeobokkeum, and it's not for the faint of heart. The squid is tossed in a wok with a generous amount of gochujang, a Korean chili paste that packs a punch. The squid is cooked to perfection, tender and coated in a sauce that's a symphony of sweet, spicy, and savory. Each bite is an explosion of flavors, a dance of heat and sweetness that leaves you craving more. It's a flavor explosion that will set your senses alight, a true testament to Korea's love for bold tastes. The locals savor it with a side of rice or a cold beer, making it a perfect street food experience. Ready for a taste of the Atlantic? Next stop, Lisbon. But before we leave Seoul, make sure to try this spicy squid surprise. It's an unforgettable experience that captures the essence of Korean street food culture. Our sixth stop, the city of Lisbon, Portugal. Savoring the sea in Lisbon. Lisbon, Portugal, a city perched on the edge of the Atlantic, knows its seafood. The city's relationship with the ocean is deeply rooted in its culture, history, and cuisine. From the bustling markets to the quaint seaside restaurants, seafood is a staple that defines Lisbon's culinary identity. And when it comes to squid, they have a dish that's both simple and sublime, lulas grelhadas, grilled squid seasoned to perfection. This dish is a testament to the Portuguese philosophy of letting the natural flavors shine through, with minimal but thoughtful seasoning. Imagine this, wandering through the narrow cobblestone streets of Alfama, Lisbon's oldest district. The charm of Alfama lies in its labyrinthine alleys, where every turn reveals a new surprise, from hidden courtyards to vibrant street art. The scent of grilled fish wafts through the air, leading you to a small restaurant tucked away on a side street. These eateries, often family-run, pride themselves on serving the freshest catch of the day, prepared with love and tradition. There you'll find lulas grelhadas, a dish that celebrates the freshness of the sea. The squid is tender, with a slight char that adds depth to its flavor. It's often accompanied by simple sides like boiled potatoes or a fresh salad, making for a balanced and satisfying meal. The squid is grilled over charcoal, its natural sweetness enhanced by a touch of olive oil, garlic, and lemon. This method of cooking not only preserves the squid's delicate texture, but also infuses it with a smoky aroma that's utterly irresistible. It's a dish that's both elegant and satisfying, a true taste of Lisbon. The presentation is often simple yet beautiful, reflecting the Portuguese aesthetic of understated elegance. Each bite is a reminder of the sea's bounty and the skill of the chefs who prepare it. Feeling inspired? Let's raise a glass to the wonders of squid. Whether you're a seasoned seafood lover or a curious traveler, Lisbon's lulas grelhadas is a must-try. It's more than just a dish. It's an experience that captures the essence of this vibrant city. So here's to savoring the sea in Lisbon, one delicious bite at a time. A toast to tentacles. So there you have it, folks. A whirlwind tour of the world's craziest, most delicious squid street food. From the smoky ramen bowls of Tokyo to the fiery stir-fries of Seoul, we've explored the incredible diversity of this amazing ingredient. Squid, often overlooked, is a culinary chameleon, adapting to different cultures and cuisines with remarkable versatility. It's a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of street food vendors worldwide, who transform this humble sea creature into unforgettable culinary experiences. But our journey doesn't end here. The world of street food is vast and constantly evolving, with countless other squid adventures waiting to be had. Ready for the grand finale? Let's reflect on the beauty of it all. The global plate, a culinary tapestry. As we've journeyed across continents, one thing is clear. Street food is more than just a quick bite. It's a window into a culture's soul, a celebration of tradition and community. And Squid, in all its glorious forms, embodies this spirit perfectly. So the next time you find yourself wandering through a bustling market or a lively street corner, keep an eye out for Squid. You never know what culinary masterpiece awaits. Embrace the unknown, savor the flavors, and let the adventure continue. Until next time, happy eating. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.